Everybody, so if you can tell by the title, this is a makeup swap, and I'm so excited to do a makeup swap. I've been wanting to do one for so long, but there's all that controversy with makeup swaps like 4 years ago, and I think they're fun to bring back. You just kind of have to establish like a friendship with somebody, and I believe Amy is my first YouTube friend, and I'm gonna say that, and I feel kind of silly and giddy saying that, but I believe she's my first YouTube friend. I am going to open mine, and yeah, I will link her down below if you want to check out her channel. She does really awesome, very creative videos, and I love watching her. She is a cruelty-free YouTuber just like me, and yeah, we have a lot of stuff in common with that. Oh wow. So we had kind of a price limit. I guess it was very flexible price limit. Oh, the first thing I see in here that's not wrapped up, which she sent me a Valentine. She sent me a cute Valentine. It's got a kitty on it. I like kitties. Then the first two are the matte lip colors from e.l.f. and they're in praline and wine. And I actually really love these. I have a bunch of them already. And these, oh yep, these are the good ones with the sharpener on the bottom. So I'm gonna swatch them because I love these products. There's praline right there. And then, I'm so giddy. This is like Christmas morning. And then this is wine. Wine is a very beautiful color. I just got rid of the one I had from a long time ago because it was like almost gone. Oh, Milani. Blackest Black. Ooh, I haven't tried this one. Supreme Kohl Gel Liner. Is it a twist up? It is a twist up. Ooh, this is really, really nice. So Milani eyeliner pencil. Ooh. I'm so excited to try this, like, yes. Easy glide on. I want to open it, but I don't want to open it because I have so many opened. Okay, I'm gonna set that aside. Oh yes, I have tried this and I really did like it. That's nice to get another one. This is the Milani Make It Last setting spray, and this is actually a really, really great setting spray. I'm so excited that she got it for me because I can't have too many setting sprays. I want to open it and smell it. Maybe I should. Because I can't remember if it had its scent, but I don't believe that it does. No, it has like a slight scent to it, but it's not bad. And I remember I really like this. It's very refreshing. I'm so excited to have this again. Right now I've been using the Flower Beauty one. That one's really nice. Ooh, more Milani. Is this a blush? Ooh, yes. Oh, it's a smaller one of those flower ones. This one is called Romantic Rose. I'm gonna swatch it. This is a really nice universal shade. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is so cute. Look at that cute flower. Did they get rid of the bigger versions? Maybe I haven't looked at Milani blushes in a long time. That's me paying attention, isn't it? And then, ooh, a buxom. Ooh, mascara. Ooh, I don't want to open a mascara, but I haven't tried a buxom mascara before. That's so cool. I've been wanting to get more buxom products and like Bare Minerals, because I believe Bare Minerals and buxom are like sisters. I believe. You could quote me on that. I want to open it because I want to see what it looks like, but I don't want to open it because that's bad news. Maybe I'll just open it and it'll be the next one in my rotation. But I believe Amy said she really likes this mascara. Ooh, I love a big fat brush like that. Yes. I believe Amy said she really liked this one. So that's really exciting. Maybe I'm just gonna put it in my drawer right here so I can use it right away. And this, I have been meaning to pick this up again. I love this powder, the tone correcting powder from e.l.f. This is actually a really, really great powder, and I've been wanting to go and make an order from e.l.f. to get this, but I haven't, as you can see. I love this powder. It's a really nice powder. You swirl all of these together and it does amazing job. It does like wonders. It's just a really great setting powder, and it has a beautifully sized mirror. So like everyday getting ready, it's very helpful. Okay. And lastly, Meet My Adore. Ooh! Look, she got me this. And she found it at Ross of all places. Ross is a cool, it's a really great place for makeup. It's kind of hit and miss, but man, she really hit the nail on the head with this one. I'm stoked for this guy. I have the regular Meet Matte, but not this one. This is exciting. This is good because, you know, like Ross and TJ Maxx, people always like to put their phalanges and stuff. And that means this one is not phalanged. She crossed out the prices on things, but I didn't. Sorry. Oh yeah. I like this one. This is like a darker version of the original, and it has like pink tones in it, which I'm like so excited about. Yes, look at it. Maybe this is better. And it has a giant mirror too. That is really, really cool. I love everything. This is almost like a full face of stuff. So a setting spray, a powder. I love it. This blush I'm so excited about because I've been meaning to make like a to-go makeup bag, and this will be so perfect to put in there. It's like the perfect size. And then a liner, which you always need a black liner. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about that. And then these are the best. These are the best because I've said in the past I do not like matte lipsticks. Like I don't like liquid lipsticks on my lips, but these are the best matte lips to me. I love these. So, and the sharpener works with a lot of lip pencils or like twist up liners. This is really good with that. I'm gonna put the praline on right now because I'm feeling it. You will definitely see a video, a tutorial using this. Oh my gosh, I love the Balm products. This is like, I'm so excited about this. All right, I just want to say thank you so much, Amy, for doing this swap with me. It's like so fun when someone else buys you makeup that's like so random, or you're like, you don't even know what you're getting. It's like Christmas. It's better than like a subscription box because like you kind of know what you're getting, but I did not know what I was getting. And everything in here I love. Everything in here, like, well, two things I know I love. Oh yeah, I forgot about the mascara that I already opened and stashed away. So yeah, oh my gosh, there is like a full face here. Well, to me, I mean, all I would probably have to use is concealer. Yes, that's so great. My gosh, not all my lights are on. That's probably why everything is crazy. Oh my gosh, I was probably so blinded out with everything. I didn't have all my lights on. I just want to say thank you so much, Amy, for doing this collab with this. I keep saying collab, but it's kind of a collab, this swap with me. This was so fun to do. I love shopping for makeup, and it gave me an excuse to shop for makeup, and I didn't have to feel guilty for it because sometimes I feel guilty about it. So we'll do this again in the future, but you never know. So if you guys did like swap videos like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Maybe we'll see other people doing them. And don't forget to check out Amy's channel down below and also in the cards. I don't remember if it's on this side or this side, but I'm just gonna do some fireworks for her channel. Please go check her out. She does really great work, and she's so fun to watch and very creative with her videos. She puts out new stuff. She's very inspirational to me, and sometimes I feel like I'm stealing ideas from her, but I think imitation is the first sign of flattery because I think she's very, very creative. And the I sent her one thing a long time ago and she sent me a very, very sweet note. So I think she's just so nice and I think everyone should go watch her. But you may or may not already know about her, but yeah. And if you are coming from her channel to watch me, thank you so much for stopping in. If you want to, you can subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos from me, or vice versa, go subscribe to Amy so you don't miss out on any videos from her. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!